How to fix Bluetooth device not removing on Windows. 1. Run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. 2. Turn on the device association service. 3. Delete the unwanted Bluetooth device via control panel. 4. Delete the unwanted Bluetooth device via device manager. 4. Delete the unwanted Bluetooth device via registry editor. To do so, check HKey_local_machine /system /current control set /services /port /parameters /devices.